Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Right now again let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So here we do not have really significant dynamic in the recent session. Yes, market indeed gradually is continuing upward action as we have talked yesterday. So maybe today it will not reach the 1255 resistance, but probably it should happen rather soon. So in general, guys, speaking on the gold market, we think that gold really has the potential to become the one of the assets in the 2017 that will show one of the best performances, because currently we see the real big shifting in the geopolitical situation in the world, and that is exacerbated by elections in the European Union, elections in the United States, changing the overall policy, domestic policy in the United States. Trump stands in another direction compared to what really Obama administration was followed. So right now we see also by an analyzing of the mass media, we see that Trump probably has some conflict or struggling of the interest between the former administration and part of the CIA representatives to the high degree who serviced the interest of this Clinton clan and some persons. Now they have the conflict with the Trump administration, and Trump is starting to resolve this problem. So based on the speeches, particularly speaking the Brennan, and all this stuff, it's not really very interesting for us from the political point of view, but all this stuff has relation to the gold market and other markets. Since any political tensions and any political process that are starting right now standing in the world, they generate a lot of surprises. And as we will get a lot of political changes, a lot of political tensions in 2017, they will generate a lot of surprises. And what surprises, especially in the geopolitical sphere, are the major driving factor of the gold market in a row with inflation. That's why we think that gold market really in the current year could become the very attractive asset that could generate significant result, significant performance, and we will definitely continue to watch over it. So that's why we think that the gold market should become one of the among the primary markets in our observation. So speaking on the short-term perspective, what we have here, market is returning back to this previous resistance, it has reached it, as we have said yesterday. So by this action, market has moved slightly higher than the weekly pivot point and erased, take a look, both of our patterns that we have talked about. ABCD has been erased. This market has created the new top compares the former C point. So this ABCD destroyed. The same as a butterfly, but a butterfly was destroyed even yesterday when the market has moved this high swing compares to the initial swing of the butterfly. That's fine. Both of these patterns are invalid right now. So what we could get in the nearest future? I suspect, guys, the market could form here some kind of the butterfly and shown some retracement here and then reestablish the upward action, something of that sort that I have drawn on the hourly chart. So we have this upward rally. Today probably market could show some bounce down, maybe back to the 1230 area, maybe even lower, 1226. It's typical for the butterfly, the deep retracement. After that, upward action should be reestablished. But probably this will happen already in the next week. As a result of this butterfly and reestablishing of the upward action, market probably will reach our next destination point 1255. But guys, this area is just this level is just resistance. That's why we're marking it as the target. Extension target stands with this A, B, C bottom 100% extension. That will be probably somewhere around 1280 area. But we will go step by step. First, market should have taken out this resistance to speak on the next target. But in general, you could see that the CD leg here is a bit faster than the AB. That is a good sign for the upward continuation. But first, today and on the common week, Monday and Tuesday, probably will be watching for a printing of the pattern on the hourly charts. Could be the butterfly and reaching 1255 area.